Welcome traders. Today I'm giving you an inside look at something that's changing the way people trade forever. PremiumAlgo AI. In just a few minutes, we are going live with 3 exclusive signals generated by one of the most advanced AI trading systems out there. These are random guesses and they are not risky gambles. PremiumAlgo AI built to analyze real-time data, detect powerful market patterns, and deliver signals with pinpoint accuracy. Now, think about this. Instead of sitting for hours, stressing over charts and second guessing your decision, you can let the AI do the heavy lifting and you simply execute the signals and watch how fast your account grows. I have been using a PremiumAlgo AI myself and the results are insane. Consistent wins, steady growth, and most importantly, confidence in every trade. I'm about to show you exactly how this AI bot can flip up a small balance into something much bigger in just minutes. Let's get started. Trade 1. Our first signal comes in a clean call setup. I lock it in. And within 60 seconds, boom, we are already in profit. That's our first win of the session and account moving up strongly. Trade 2. Here's another signal, this time a put. The AI deducts a reversal before it even does the chart. I follow the signal, the candle drops hard, and yes, another win. 2 for 2 and the accuracy is looking flawless. Trade 3. The bot gives me a high confidence call. I trust it, place the trade. And once again, we are in the green. That's 3 straight profits. So, here's my challenge for you. Watch the signals, take the trades, see the results yourself, and once you profit and you trust me, you will send me a DM to unlock full access. Because while some sit back, hesitate and keep losing, others take the action. Plug into the PremiumAlgo AI and start winning daily. The choice is simple. This is your moment. Do not let it pass by. Let's trade smart, trade fast, and let the AI do the work. Welcome to PremiumTradingAlgo AI, where the trading meets the future.